Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see behind me, maybe you can't see behind me, but I've got another Bears Den camp that's ready to head out. And so I'll go ahead and show you this one. I just posted a video not too long ago of another Bears Den. This one's similar in layout, a little more compact, shorter in length. It's 21 foot interior space. So we'll go ahead and check it out and see what it has to offer. This one came equipped. They wanted to do the diamond plate down the side. Like I've told you in previous videos, I really like how it turns out. Really makes a sharp look. Just like in the other video though, I'm not gonna take too much time going around the exterior of this camp and showing you that. We're gonna spend the majority of our time inside. So let's go ahead and walk in. As you can see, very similar layout to the last Bears Den camp that we posted. This one does have the bunk, whereas the other one didn't. But this has the recliners, the pull-out bar. The difference in this one is it's actually quite a bit more compact. This one's a 21-foot living quarters, whereas the other one that I just posted, it was a 24-foot camp. So let's start up here in the front where we always do. You have your big closet with banks of drawers underneath there, and then your stainless steel fridge, freezer combo, convectional microwave that does have the air fry in it, really nice. Some storage above, and then this one has the pull-out pantry, which has tons and tons of room for keeping all of your groceries and whatever else you want to put in there. Then we have our gas light, our monitoring systems, our range hood. This one does have the 3-burner cooktop. They opted out of doing the oven in exchange for these banks of drawers. So lots of storage in this one. As you can see, this is a knotty alder finished in a Brazil wood. So lots of character in the cabinetry in this. Turned out super nice. Lots of counter space, big window above the counter. Lots of windows in this one, so gives it lots of natural light. This one does have the pull-out bar, like I told you before. And then they will store bar stools underneath. Kind of a different eating setup. And then you have your reclining sofas, which they practically lay down flat, so very easy to accommodate more as far as sleeping. You have your pillow top queen down low, and then a twin size up above in the bunk with lots of storage in the headboard above. And then he's got his TV. Now this cabinet, the customer actually built himself and sent to us, so kind of neat. It's got a pull out, if I can get it out, pull-out table with a leg. Let me see if I... So kind of cool feature. They're going to use that for serving. Use it for a little TV dinner stand, I guess. But kind of cool. This TV's on a pivot, so you can watch it from the bed. You can turn it whichever way you want. Pull it out from the wall. And then we have our wood-burning stove. Putting off some heat. Kind of nice as you're sitting here at the recliners to be able to see that. And your big double sink, stainless steel, lots of storage beneath, as well as storage up above in this cabinet. And then you have your bathroom set up, which turned out really nice as well. This one has the glass shower door, your vanity sink with drawers, porcelain toilet, exhaust fan, frosted window. Once again, I really like how all the character in these doors. when we do these lighter color, it especially, you can see a lot of the detail, a lot of the imperfections and stuff in the doors that I think give it a lot of character. And then you can see this flooring's kind of cool too. Brings out a lot of them colors in the interior. So anyways, hope you like this camp. Love to hear what your thoughts are in the comments below. If you haven't liked and subscribed to the channel, please do so. It helps us out. So anyways, till the next one. Thanks.